Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And he accelerate. Kwame, just as I was saying about Hearts of Oak, a lot of the Asante Kotoko supporters, if you say, now it's a Kotoko Shebe 5.
I'm Shebe 5.
Aye.
No game na course.
Aye. Oh, say before the game.
Oh yes. And before the game, Friday, no, your name, omo players ni bi kasawa hanwa. Uti omo nsem no omo kana. And me ru park this no. The player and bet na no work no. It was exactly what I saw. Come the ball net to form omo mpre omo bobo ne said omo nya omo tipen omo mpe omo emfe form ne omo
before the game.
Tamana yet commentary position no. Anytime I will say and some air coastal park in a son. Nay, accelerate now your movement or must swing your passes and a man for bomb and some. So it said the Kwame Kano. I believe say a pass ball in there. Said they not ye anticipating yes, I knew who.
And ye ding.
So before the game, Nakotoko supporters no do na few say second division team there. Only Kumasi Asante Kotoko Kobo FA Cup there and then Kabe 5. In Kabe 8. Even there was stadium crampo. We have videos of interviews and YouTube bloggers nibi. I have posted on social media. And then some Kotoko supporters nibi can say accelerate for na Kasabi Bri or radio so internet. I also making sure some meche goals na my players no.
Mechama team
players. Ne say o the bench for nka okra nka 11 ne de ko bia nyi go ba ko na nkomfa nkofie.
Even they started, you know.
Aye. My born started, you know. Any game and I hear no. And I feel who say born a bono. And I said, some na kawa bontino. Supporters be kawa bontino. And you're different from the reality that is happening on the pitch. They have some good and quality players. Ewo mutimnim. Ghana no shadow number 10 you know.
Number 10.
Yes.
Ejri.
Yes.
Abe Ejri.
He's a very good player.
Hey, Oma
captain no.
Mujib.
He's a very good player.
No.
So they have some sort of quality.
30 JC Abdurrahman Idrisu.
They have some quality in their squad.
Yes.
I'm not anybody more so.
And I left back no. Kojo John Denu. Very, very good.
Good players.
Yes.
But unimna. Ube feel say oh we the second division me kwa koche. But I dear back would say playing underdogs. I am not adding. When your coach will tell me read the game in them, changes in them, not changes or substitutions. But maybe a tactical changes. I will park it to a brand game in the course of the po. So when you say you can be in Temwa,
Opemsuo,
and they might be to me a day.
Opemsuo,
At the amount. And Nema. To me, I gain the amount because they know the Kumasi Asante Kotoko team. They know the Kotoko players. And they know the kind of strategy. Only real game ni mo to me Asante Kotoko. But bisa won't say Kotoko ni mo ana. That is the kind of question you have to ask yourself. Asante Kotoko enim omo ana. Debi. If you game na sha ase no. Afei na coach ne ba be ready omo. No, the tactics na me di real game ni mo no. E betimi a stop omo de na na. Entimi a kwan be na me fa so na manya me results. It was always going to be difficult. A brag game na started. No one said they are a quality side, so you have to turn things around and get the needed results. It's easy. And from now on any day. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ade ba ko so me hu ye ne say there were changes in the setup.
Sure.
Once there is changes, unya na to say players na de bi omo bonada.
A new goalkeeper.
From the goalkeeping department to the two central defenders. Yeah. There were two changes.
Sure.
And the bar.
I
call it the triangular defense. Goalkeeper and the two central defenders. Nipa train on the our position. That should the goal post in the yim you know of him. And the dim you know about Kabako Peho. Kamara Efrim. Fatau say you control the Baba them. ɔno no ba bɛda yakofa Henry ansu na de na ba bɛka abro ho this season sɛ be kai de yie pa Henry ansu ni abro about one match sɛ me kai de yie pa one match
I think it was an away
even
game.
with that na the 3-back system and ye de ba bɛka ho enti anya team a oma ball mo na partnership oma ball mo ho e ma ne work dey mo da bi enti aye there obenya problems kakra o infinfin till they do start here when was the last time I in Asante Kotoko who say till they do start and he had a very good game.
Okay.
He had a very good game. But almost so more quality till they do chinchina next match on starting no munya abotre.
Tinedu.
Yes. He had a very good game against Accelerate. But that doesn't mean that Chinchina Kotoko next match on starting. It is not like position now, but the Hokwa. Say to the Duba Kumasi Asante Kotoko last season. Kwame. And Kobe started.
Kotoko last season.
Last season.
Kobe started.
And ka prosper na Toguma started to the Duka and Kamement Yase.
Last season, one na neighbor. And then Timenu.
Yes.
And then Chejamna.
Yes.
One na neighbor.
Yes. And last season, 90 men finding defeat to Asante Kotoko. Name Koye. In fact, he was one of Kotoko's worst players. But you read this season, mono. Per match is Asante Kotoko abo so far. Just a win team man. He is the most improved player in Asante Kotoko.
Sure.
The most improved player in Kumasi Asante Kotoko. That's his blade here. The least said about him, the better. Oh, yeah, introduction, bia. Oh, yeah, chichirimu, bia. And these are the two pivotal midfielders for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And indeed, I make us say, Setine Duba last season, and I indeed Manu Nyadiana and Kobe started. But this particular season, looking at the kind of footballer in team Manu Bono, Setine doing a very good game. We're making a good account for himself. What Chile will be so now Konya no bet me a ball.
Sure.
It is a good decided in the next game of certain any problem.
Problem.
But a man for normal there is a chinchilla guy is a coach in a static player no because a man tell me you know more mass and go to our position no or performance in your bad. And Bono, you fa or more yard and yet a chinchilla pania and John started a 11 never started. That is why we say a good team is made up of a team, made up of a good or quality bench. And to imagine the team they do here, you know. That is here Asante Kotoko game. Not Justice Blaze to see a change, you know. In team members to see a change, you know. Now the team they do bar. Asante Kotoko support them here with GDN and Toswo. So brand any quality now or die in a dinner and the or Baba be shemwa. Or bet me a Boama Asante Kotoko team na conkain. So he did well yesterday extremely well. He controlled the midfield. The passing range. The BB was on point. No doubt about it.
Sure.
But the onus lies on the coach. The onus lies on the coach. Kumasi Asante Kotoko again, Kwame. Officiating our park and so. Referee the ball no J penalty no anya de crowd.
Wanyade.
Debbie.
Sir.
Nenye penalty.
I think I have some video here. See, me say bit me show some video now.
Linesman neji penalty.
Linesman neji.
But at the end of the day, referee the linesman be communicate. And omo communicate we are. The final decision lies on the referee. So linesman ne cast a ball near penalty. That's a referee ne cast a penalty. At the end of the day, referee need baby and questions. There was contact. Ne ho kan no kre. But ball ni siwa abonten.
Siwa abonten.
Beginning no. I was thinking say siwa line ne so. Say siwa line ne so. The line is part of the 18-yard area. Omo betimi age. But there's a picture I clear. Ball then siwa line ne so.
think me was some 4 seconds video be wa hanti no me dey ama Bismarck on show my en say born was it a penalty and na show we ni my na because referee no from where I was sitting me commentary me say referee no e foul say foul like a foul outside the 18 but before say referee no be realize no na line no akogina honom dada Bismarck man ko rechi nanka I drew ho na nanka so betimi post join a live on Facebook Opemsuo already on Facebook nti ko rechi kakra esa de eba na no post na my nanka ya hwe who say referee ni gina here is it I think so we here very very clear nti no join a live on Facebook na ya hwe said here
Atakwate was on the line shebe bia keeper ni gina say line so Kwame Poku 9 mienu ne wo wiem no.
Enye Kwame Poku Saka Dauda.
Sorry, Saka Dauda. Me bawo. Saka the contact. We are talking about the contact. Saka Dauda, Obeka say is on the line. But Saka Dauda 9 mienu na e wo soro.
Bismarck man kon kakra eni. So
Kame me picture bi na me hu picture.
So I don't know. Join your live is see on Facebook na ye ni enkomo. It's a game no na ye show the penalty incident no. Was it a penalty na na penalty? Nkofo do na cassette ya say it wasn't a penalty. Saying na wonso hu no. Saying and I wonso hu a game no. Okay. And the joining us see we say outside. We say outside. And the joining live see our Facebook. Na way from Meme Lens video am to me from game no and na ye show no joining live see our Facebook na ye share said ye I don't know esi akwanti Biggy to asma me na picture no hu ana join yes see how ba share na onua nya bi oba share na onua enya bi enhwe that was the incident inti hwe Bismarck man ko na nim ka outside
man nyese ya man
outside
Saka Dauda 9 ba ko wo line so ba ko
wo soro
yes
na ba ko si line so ana keeper ne 9 nyina wo out
goalkeeper ne 9 mienu nyina si abonten why na ye tackle no
keeper no?
It was the goalkeeper.
Yes.
The tackle happened baby a goalkeeper na nine wo. E kwoti asante Kotoko anke ebeka.
Sure.
Say kwoti Kotoko anke ebeka. This wasn't a penalty.
It wasn't a penalty.
It wasn't a penalty. It officiating asem na aye ka no. Yenka say ye fair ma asante Kotoko ne sisi team fufuro bi. And the Nkase team for be na fair ma Asante Kotoko. And after your fair ma team for be na sisi Asante Kotoko. Because Kotoko ko bo me de ma wota kwa bae no. There were complaints of officiating.
Sure.
Say anko ye. We talked about it. We talked about it. It is a Nekumasi Asante Kotoko benefit here. We also have to talk about it because officiating improve. Every one game na improve.
I was a game near say crowd. Referee be gina be accident ni see na peja na nsa wo. Say was a free kick. E be hu say like any stopping. Oh, Bismarck. Kwa Nti any. Let's watch where the referee was. Oh, no gina ho say a free kick. Nti anybody ho so no. Na line one ni gina. 18 box na no ho no ma. Akwaje penalty. So the penalty decision was from the assistant line 1.
Come and I make us say assistant line 1 a beji penalty. Yes, because I only jurisdiction. But on the penalty in the final decision lies on the referee. The referee who feels away who ya. Only lines man let the any quad, and it means also what you have to say one year penalty. Minimum ultimate point in us here. Yes, it's clearly referee my own who's already on one year. It's only lines man they are gonna. And no J penalty no. And then no make one sem no.
Okay.
It happened outside the 18-yard box. nti sɛ deɛ kɔti akumati asante kɔtɔkɔ anka ɛbɛka no akɔ ama asante kɔtɔkɔ ayɛnka na referees ne nso so no make sure sɛ ɔmo bɛsesa ɔmo nsa na ɔmo timi ayɛ nneɛma yie because for me deɛ mimi hu videos amahwɛ pictures amahwɛ no clearly it wasn't a penalty.
Okay, Mate. Leonard Kusia Jimai, and so dear Eleanor